There's no room to put a power steering pump on this LS Swap Z3, so we're going to hook up the electric power steering. That right there, straight off of Volvo. This little hot rod runs off of a 16-volt system with Holley. We got to convert it back down to 12 for the power steering pump so it doesn't burn itself up. And snake that wire underneath the seats. It's not like this thing was real hard to turn, but when you're out there drifting around, you want steering. We're going to make it a little more nimble for that turbo LS power. No, I already looked underneath there. What do you think, I'm stupid? Wait, don't answer that. I do a lot of stupid shit. And yes, I am putting zip screws in here because I want to go rip this thing. Do a little tire smoke. That ain't going nowhere. Son of a... I'm going to have to take this all apart just to get that little wire through there. Take this seat out. Do you know how much these seats weigh? They're like 400 pounds. Now I got to try to get my big ass in here. All for power steering. They say power steering's fun. Where's that wire? Oh, there it is. Where's it go? How am I going to feed it back there? Oh. I may have found a little tiny hole. If it only came through there a little easier, everybody would do it, right? I'm gonna try to fish something through there. Let's get a little TIG wire. Only after about an hour of messing with that thing, I finally got the wire. What a pain in the arse this car has been. I'm gonna put this back together. Got this floppy jalopy speaker in here that don't work. Come on, you pile of crap. Things we do for fun. I gotta use the wrong size Torx bit because my buddy broke them all and he says, oh, I'm gonna buy you some. I ain't seen no show up yet. Got that through there. Now we gotta fish it along the side of the carpet. This is not how you do it, but I'm not taking the entire interior off. Oh gosh. You gotta get it upside down. Come on, baby, I'll go through the hole. It's through the hole somewhere down here. Right there. That there wire is what we need. Connect these two wires. Well, we still gotta run a trigger wire to tell the pump to turn on and off. Hey, Don, we're on the home stretch. Just gotta put this crimp connector on there, hook up the other wire, and then go do some burnouts. Hey, Donnie, is this how you do it on your car? No, we just got a heat shrinker. Heat shrink away! Had to wait till the goo came out to really know she was sealed. Now that this is all wired up right now, don't laugh at me because I used red wire and just put some heat shrink around it. Hey, question for you guys. This is a 16 volt, that's a 12 volt, and I'm using it off of a common ground. Does any of you guys that are smarter than me know if you can actually do that? I'm doing it, but I don't know if it's correct. All right, let's top her off with a little premium power steering fluid. Might want to put a hose clamp on that too. Now we just got to make sure that the input to turn the water pump on is correct. Yes. This stupid little car has Holley. Let's test this bad boy out. I heard it. That bad boy's flowing. You can see the fluid right there. I think it's time for a rip. Epic fail. Well, the power steering worked great until the battery just died. Then I was trying to save $1 and I tried one of these power converters from Amazon. Well, that didn't work either. So don't waste your money on one of those things. I quit screwing around and I just got one of these. This is what these are made for. I know these work because I used to use them in my race car. Duh. Got this all wired up. Take a peek. Got that new box installed. Got our circuit breaker. Everything's mounted. This should work. Let's go for a rip. Go do a little tire smoke. Well, it survived, kinda. When I got back, I noticed that when I turned down here in the yard, there was oil on the ground. Upon further investigation, the rack leaks. I bought a used rack. Well, looks like I gotta buy another one, a new one. But the power steering worked great. So it looks like the next video is gonna be me changing the power steering rack. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this. Plenty more of crazy content coming up. Stay classy, folks.